We all do a bit of gaming. From Minecraft to Elden Ring to Halo, there's always someone's stream or video you've seen, with visual mods installed. Today we'll be going over how to use this idea for VTubing and doing it for free. My name is Trash, a full-time streamer always looking for a way to save some money or find a way to do things for free. And today, we'll be upgrading your VTuber game. To start off, we'll be assuming you already have your model ready and know how to use it. If you're not at that point yet, then you should check out my previous video on how to be a VTuber for free. First, we'll head to Google and search for ReShade, making sure that we go to the official website for the download. Or you can just use the link in the description. Let's scroll to the bottom and download the latest version. Next, we'll select our game. Now you may be thinking, I want to upgrade my model, not my games. But here's the secret. Both VSeeFace and VTube Studio are both made with Unity, which technically makes them games. Now if you're a 2D VTuber and have VTube Studio installed through Steam, this process will be a little bit easier as it's already listed. Click VTube Studio and then Next. It's best to know which type of rendering API your program uses, but I personally haven't had any issues using DirectX 10 Plus for everything. Check the box and press Next. I like to have all these boxes checked just so I have more to mess with, so once you've done that, press Next. ReShade will now install a bunch of shaders for you to use. This may take some time, so be patient. It's also important to note this may affect how long it takes for your program to start up. Now all we need to do is launch VTube Studio, wait for it to load, press the home key on our keyboard, and start having some fun. VSeeFace is almost the exact same process, except this time we need to manually locate our exe file. Just click Browse and navigate to where you have VSeeFace installed on your computer. Once again, this will probably take a bit to install, and affect the load times when starting up the program. But once everything is set up, you can press the home key and start finding creative ways to use these shaders. Just as a heads up, this will take up a bit more of your computer's resources, so if you're having any issues, you'll most likely need to uninstall ReShade. The process is very simple. Just load up ReShade, select your program, and then select uninstall. And that's how you add shaders to your model. If you found it helpful, I try to share a how-to video every week. Like the video, subscribe, and ring that bell. Or don't, up to you really. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, feel free to share them in the comments below, or stop by and ask me live on stream. I stream every Friday and Saturday at 7 PM Eastern Standard Time, both here on YouTube and on Twitch. My name's Trash, and if you're interested in making your 2D model into manga, be sure to check out my next video.
Wait.